Assalamualaikum and a very good evening everyone. My name is Zaid Haikal Bishamdin. My trick number A18A0963. So today I will be presenting my first question or question number 1, which is from the table above. Calculate the following calculation in the study case number 1. So number 1A, gross private investment. The first thing you need to do is you must find the net private domestic investment, and then you must find the depreciation. After you manage to find the both amount, you must add those two amount and you will get the total of 150 billion if the answer is correct. So that's question number A or A. So the second question is B question, net exports. So it is quite simple. You just need to find the amount of exports and the amount of imports, and then you subtract those both, and then you will find the answer. The obvious answer you will be find is which is RM10 billion. Now the third question is the gross domestic product at market price. This is gonna take quite difficult way to find the exact amount. So first you gotta do is you must find the government consumption and investment, and then you must add it to the gross private investment, and then you're gonna add the personal consumption expenditure, which is for the first government consumption is 75 billion ringgit, gross private investment 150 billion ringgit, and the personal consumption expenditure, which is RM 250 billion ringgit. So with the total amount and the final answer is 475 billion ringgit. Now the fourth question, gross domestic product at factor cost. You must find the subsidies and indirect tax in this question. So what you must do first is you must find the gross domestic product at market price, and then you must plus the subsidies that you found, and then subtract the indirect taxes that you have come with. So the gross domestic product at market price is 475 billion plus 5 billion and then minus 20 billion ringgit. So the total amount will be 460 billion ringgit. That will be the correct answer. Now the fifth question, gross national product at market price. So this is gonna be taking a long time to find the amount, each amount. So the first you're gonna need to find is the gross domestic product at market price plus receipts of factor income from rest of the world plus payment of factor income from government and households. After you manage to find this amount, you must add the sum and you will find the correct answer, which is the 474 billion. How did I come up with 474 billion? For the first, you must find the gross domestic product, which is 475 billion, and the second one is 4 billion ringgit, and the third one is 5 billion ringgit. I'm sorry, for the payment of factor income from government and households, you must subtract those, and then you will find the 474 billion. So that's all from me, for my part. Thank you for listening.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Okay, my name is Nurina Amini binti Jafar. My registration number is A1AX0727. Okay, we continue to case study 1. For F, gross national product at factor cost. We can see the formula gross domestic product at factor cost plus receipt of factor income from the rest of the world plus payment of factor income from government and household. You can see 460 billion plus 4 billion plus 5 minus 5 billion is answer 459 billion. Next. Okay, for national income, you can see the formula gross national product at factor cost minus depreciation 459 billion minus 50 billion. The answer 409 billion. For personal income, That formula is national income plus transfer payment minus social insurance payment minus personal interest income from government and household minus corporate profit. We can see the answer is 309 billion. For this possible income, we can see personal income minus personal tax. For RM 309 billion minus RM 60 billion, we can get answer RM 249 billion. Thank you.
Good morning to Dr. Atullah. My name is Xiao Zhen Yang. My number matrix is A1880836. Today I would like to explain about question number 2. According to the table 1, the value of GDP in expenditure is 410 billion with the formula private expenditure C plus private expenditure public expenditure G plus private investment I plus net export equal to the GDP. Then it shows the value of national income, which is RN 425 billion in income approved, with the formula that income from employment plus rent plus dividend plus company profit equal to the national income. The national income is the revenue from the factors of production such as land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. The way we can know the calculation for GDP in expenditure is same value with the calculation for GDP in income approved, which is RM 410 billion, is through the table 2. It shows the formula for counting GDP is national income minus net origin factor income plus depreciation. As a result, the GDP in expenditure approved is same with the GDP in income approved, which is 410 billion. So this is the way to know the GDP in expenditure approved is same answer with the GDP in income approved. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
I am Samsul Sen, matrix number A18A0809. Now I will present the third question, which is why do we bother to construct real GDP if we already know nominal GDP? Real GDP is the best measurement for the production of goods and service, not affecting the change of price. It's measuring the economic condition, whether it is inflation or deflation. Next, comparing with the value of real GDP and the value of nominal GDP. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Najwa Syada Betua and my matrix number is A18A0740. Okay, today I'm going to present about question number 4, which is explain what are the problem in calculating national income. Okay, the first is because of double counting. When the value of intermediate goods is in calculation of national income, when this happens, the national income will be firstly count more. Okay, second is lack of data. Some economic activity are not recorded in national data, such as illegal activity, and some productive goods and service produce are used for personal consumption. Because of this, the national income will be firstly diminished. Third, false information. Do not want to disclose a real income, give false information, and underestimate their income. This is happen because some of company avoid to pay the high taxes, so this will cause the national income will be understated. Okay, so thank you.
My name is Muhammad Asri bin Abdul Rashid. My matrix number is A180339. Two more problem is allowance and depreciation. Because asset will deteriorate from year to year, like cars. It's difficult to estimate and will affect calculation of net investment and national income. Next is the problem in determination of the price of goods. This because the price will change from time to time, different between place and in the country. It will make difficult to determine the price of the good. So the calculation of national income will be underestimated.